Listen, when life starts feeling heavy, rushed, or out of sync, I come here. Barefoot in the sand, feet in the flow, and yes, I do dance a little bit sometimes too. Because Earth, she's alive. And every step I take out here, she's charging me up. Sand is a natural conductor. So I'm not just playing, I'm plugging in. My body is soaking up real energy, clearing the stress, the static, all the tension we pretend we're fine carrying. This is nervous system repair. This is alignment. This is me choosing joy and healing. You see, we weren't made to just survive. We were made to shine, to move, to feel good in our skin. So take your shoes off, touch the earth, and if you're feeling the vibe, go ahead and dance for her. Let her know and let her remind you of who